Preferring anything above Christ is the very essence of sin. It must be fought. Hello, Dr. Kim Tak Mo tu ni na hi video ai ya le John Pai Pai lai bu get lai hi when I don't deserve God how to fight for joy chi lai bu pan na mang kam mal vocabulary sin na inating hi la hena hi lai ko ikena bang ham je e su sang ina adang na te ilong go zok na pen mo na hi chi it must be fought to pen do ding hi chi mo to hena hi lai ko tung to na vocabulary kamal isin ding hi le sin le fought hi to hena sin chi pen mo na ya mi mo hi le sinner chin ke gen hi mi mo te hi le sinners as paring ma thana sinners ke che hi to hena ke mi mo hi cha gen hi le I am a sinner to pa ke mi mo hi cha gen hi le Lord I am a sinner chin ke gen the hi to ke chang na kamal dang kha sin ding pe hi le fought hi fought pen hi lai go la hi le past participle here a member context a hi le pe verb 3 ke chi hi to hi na aba I adang forms de ending heleng fight fought fighting fight fought fighting chi in ki gan the to hi na hi fight fought fighting I can na pe ma hem chi le do pilai ki tong kinia kam bi sia chi in a kiat na amun hi alai go tung to ne na ile the hi to hi na fight chi ben kam hi lai go la rằng ni mo lai go la rằng ding hi lang pen fight don't fight with your sister don't fight with your sister na sangam no to sia sel ke in na sangam no to kinial na ke in chin kile thai hi don't fight with your classmates don't fight with your classmates na sangka pi te to ki tong ke in ki lai ke in chin kile thai hi